Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today we will take a look at the daily charts for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we will also take a look at the key levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty in order to trade for tomorrow. But before that, a disclaimer: all the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. Now what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see here, what we have is a doji candle similar to what we had yesterday. Today also we have a doji candle, and in yesterday's video I had clearly mentioned that I am expecting some consolidation between the levels which I had mentioned yesterday. And I had also talked about a red candle, a red small body candle is slightly possible today, and that's exactly what has happened. So we have a doji candle, a red doji candle, and the good thing about this particular candle is that it has managed to still close above the middle of the purple channel, which clearly suggests that there is still uh, a chance that the uh, upper end or the top of the channel will be retested, right? uh, the key levels continue to stay the same for me. I would say 22,533 on the upper side would be a key level for tomorrow, as well as 22,422 on the lower side would be a key level. If the price breaks below 22,422 tomorrow, 22,422 tomorrow, and sustains below that, then in that case it will also mean that the price is trading below the middle of the channel, the middle of the purple channel, and in that case there is a likelihood that the price will further drop till 22 344, and from there we may expect a bounce back, or it may further fall below. So 42 22 422 is a key level for us tomorrow on the downside. On the upside, 22 533 happens to be the key level, which has acted as resistance on multiple occasions, 1 2 3 4, and this today also, like not exactly but almost like a resistance. Now tomorrow if this level gets taken out, then in that case I think we may see a new all-time high for Nifty, as well as we may see 22,711 levels as well to come into play, right? Tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry, and it happens to be a day before Nifty expiry, so I am estimating a, a one-sided move either on the upside or on the downside, but the current chart pattern indicates that the movement could be on the upside. Let's take a look at 50-minute chart to see how Nifty played today. So Nifty movement was more or less of a sideways movement. I would say every I would say yes, right? So this one, so market opened with a slight gap down. Yesterday we had seen on Dow Jones there was a red candle, a red bearish, big bearish candle formation, and we had anticipated that it's going to be a gap down openings, and that's exactly what had happened. We had a gap down opening, but the first candle itself seemed like a hammer. The next candle was a confirmation for that, but however, post the confirmation, the candle did not break the highs and it continued to move down. Then there was some consolidation, and after 2 o'clock onwards there was again a recovery that the market saw, and that is the reason why we have a doji candle formation, which shows a sign of indecision. Let's take a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was more more better yesterday as compared to Nifty. Nifty had shown a doji candle, but Bank Nifty had shown a bullish candle. But today Bank Nifty is more or less like a doji candle. This is not exactly a doji, but a variation of doji, you can say, because the body of the green candle is very small. The key thing here is that the Bank Nifty price has managed to close just close to the middle of the purple channel. Yesterday it had closed above the purple channel. Today it managed to close just within the reach of the purple channel, middle of the purple channel. Now tomorrow it will be interesting to see if we break today's highs, then in that case we may see up move till 48,000. If we break today's low, that is roughly around 47,366, then in that case we may see a further downside. So the key levels again for Bank Nifty also continue to stay the same as yesterday. The key level on the upside would be 47,655, post which if it breaks, then there will be some profit booking that can be seen at 47,711 levels. On the other side, on the lower side, 47,366 is the key level to watch out for. If the price breaks below 47,366 and sustains below that, then in that case we may even see 47,000 levels being retested, right? So these are the key levels to watch out for tomorrow for Bank Nifty. It is Bank Nifty expiry, so trade with less quantity as well as trade with a strict stop loss. The session might be volatile tomorrow, and also don't go all in with whatever capital you have. Let's take a look at 50 minutes chart to see how Bank Nifty traded today. So this was the first candle for Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty also similar to what Nifty had shown, opened with a gap down, and the very first candle was more or less like a hammer, not exactly a hammer, but a variation of it. The body needs to be bigger, but this can be considered as a variation of hammer. And the very next candle was a big bullish candle, which clearly indicated buyers' intention. However, the market entire throughout the rest of the day, that is from 9:45 till end of the day, continue to trade within this big candle, right? So this clearly suggests that the buyers are strong because the sellers were unable to take the price even below the first candle, the first big bullish candle, right? So the sellers were not able to take the price lower than that, and the buyers continued to take the price higher even when the price came a bit lower, and the market played entirely within the big candle. Now tomorrow the key levels, as I said, are 47,655. If the level 47,655 breaks and the price sustains above that, then 47,711 would be a key level to watch out for, which happened to be today's high. Now if that gets taken out, then 48,000 on the expiry is very much likely. On the lower side, however, 47,366 is a key level to watch out for. If the market opens gap down, or if market opens flat and then breaks the lows, then in that case we may see 47,200 as well as 47,000 levels being retested as well during expiry. Let's quickly take a look at Dow Jones to see how Dow Jones is trading. Okay, so Dow Jones is trading negative, and as you can see here, it is currently trading below the M pattern line, the M line which we had drawn, that is 39,655. So it is currently trading below that, and this would most likely end. This particular candle would end in around 30 minutes, and most likely it appears to be as if it's going to be a negative candle, a red candle, right? And this will mean that it has closed this. If the price closes below 39,650, then in that case it will be a M pattern formation, and the next candle for it would be a confirmation candle. So it will be interesting to see where the next candle plays, and that will be before the start of Indian markets, right? Some 8 to 10 hours before the start of Indian markets. So this negative candle is definitely going to impact the global markets as well as the opening for Indian markets. Most probably, it's going to be a gap down opening similar to what we saw today. And if the price does not uh, sustain between the two levels which we had talked about for Nifty and Bank Nifty, then and breaks the lower level, then in that case we may see a further downside, right? So that's the analysis from my side. Do let me know in comment section whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you are able to take trades, whether you are able to make profits, or whether you are booking losses. And also do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer: making money in sorry making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements, there is definitely scope for making money from stock markets over time. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.